The only thing better than a waterproof and dust-proof laser level is one that you can electrically control with a remote. I've used a lot of laser levels over the years, and this Huepar 360 stands out for one reason: find control without touching the tool. That sounds small, but in real work, it saves time and frustration. The big feature here is the electric pivot around point adjustment. Instead of physically twisting the unit and watching the laser jump around, you can move the vertical laser line with the remote while the intersection point stays fixed. In practice, that's huge. As you can see, I'm holding up this cabinet while moving the laser level to make sure that it's straight. If you've ever bumped a level while trying to get just one more tiny adjustment, or you overcorrect it, then you know why this matters. The remote control makes this a true one-person tool. You can stand at the wall, watch the line move in real time, and dial it in precisely. There's no shaking or overshooting like you get with manual adjustments. For solo work, hanging upper cabinets, installing trim, laying out stud marks, or aligning conduit, this is genuinely useful and not just a gimmick. The angle display screen is another practical touch. It shows tilt on both X and Y axes, battery level, brightness, and mode. When you're intentionally setting a slight slope, like for drainage, ramps, or specialty installs, you're not guessing anymore. You can see exactly what angle you're working with instead of just eyeballing it. And accuracy is solid as well. Huepar claims give or take 1/13 inch at 33 feet, and in real use it holds lines where you expect them. Long runs of shelving, tile reference lines, and wall layouts stay consistent without needing constant rechecks. I also like the auto sensor movement alert. If the unit gets bumped, the laser shuts off and alerts you instead of quietly throwing your layout off. That's one of these features you don't appreciate until it saves you from installing something crooked. Battery life hasn't been an issue either. The 5200 milliamp rechargeable battery easily gets through a full day of work, and brightness control helps stretch runtime when you don't need full power. Bottom line, this isn't just another 360 laser. The electric fine adjustment and remote control are what make it different. For DIYers, it removes a lot of frustration and rework. For pros, it saves time and lets one person do jobs that normally take two. If you care about precision and efficiency more than flashy extras, then this one definitely takes the cake and earns a place in your toolbox. If you've been looking for laser levels, give this one a shot. I really don't think you'll be disappointed. I've had multiple Huepar laser levels before, and I can tell you they make a really quality product. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.